Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the intersection point of 2 points here. So you'll have coordinates for these 2 points, which will give you the x coordinate, or the x dimension between the two, x2 minus x1. In this case, this is a simpler case. These two are at the same elevation. I did see a question like this on an exam, so I think the angles were provided are maybe the azimuth, and then you got to calculate the angle here to create yourself a triangle. And then this is let's see, so really what we're going to do is we're going to break this triangle down so that we can see the two triangles, right? So control Y, control Z here. So this is 10 and this is X. So we don't know what this is, and we don't know what this is. You could use the law of cosines, I believe. Yeah, so actually, yeah, that's all you got is this dimension. You don't have this angle, so you can't use the law of sines. But you can do this without the law of cosines, so I'm going to show you how. It's kind of similar, the way it's broken down. Maybe I'm not even saying that right. Maybe it's not the law of cosines, but it's a formula that's pretty difficult to remember. So you have this angle, you have this angle. That means we have two triangles, right? And then we know this is an unknown height. So what we're going to do is, let's change that to this. Actually, maybe nothing, right? So you got the h over x actually it's this one's the h over 10x, so this is x, this is 10 minus x, right? Equals the tangent of 30. H over 10 minus x is the tangent of 30, and h over x is the tangent of 60. These two angles you calculate them from they given to you in the azimuths. And then we have 10 minus x times the tangent. Yeah, so in both cases we solve for h. So to leave the h here is tangent of 60 times x, and over here is tangent of 30 times 10 minus x in parentheses, right? And both of those equal h, so they both equal each other. All right, so there you go. Tangent of 30 times 10 minus x is equal to tangent at 60 times x. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the x's on one side, cancel, 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 and you end up with this. Let's do this. So 10x is all by itself. The x goes over here. Actually, the x comes over here, so you got 10 minus x over x. And right here you have the tangent of 30 over there, so you tangent 60 over tangent of 30. And this we're separating, so it's going to be 10 over x and then negative x over x, right? And that's what this is. Right, so and then I circled it because that's just negative 1. Negative x over x is negative 1, right? So cancel that out, becomes a negative 1, and then subtraction, you can put it on the other side. So we get tangent of 60 over 30 plus 1 is equal to 10 over x, right? It's starting to get simpler. I'm going to put all this in parentheses. Then we're going to get the 10 over here, and we're going to move this to the other side. So we're just going to divide it by 1 over here. Multiply it by its inverse, yeah. And make sure we put the parentheses around it, and is all equal to x, right? So the x is on the bottom, comes to the top over here, and that's the formula, right? So if you go put it into a formula here and type this in, we'll get 2.5, and that is, all right, I don't know if I actually put it in there. Yep, 2.5. So that's how you solve for this, and then you go to solve for the h. You're not looking for that, you're looking for the h, and you're looking for the x, right? So x, now we have this coordinate minus 2.5, we have the x. And then we're looking for the x, so you just go at h over 2.5 is the tangent of 60, and then solve for h. So tangent of 60 times 2.5, tools, calculator, tangent of 60 times 2.5, enter, and you get 4.3301. I think I got that right there. Alright, so where's the maybe you can see that better. So all of these should be a little bigger, huh? Text will be bigger. Maybe it'll be too big. Dimension could be bigger. And arrows, that's fine. And that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. This is for sure a question that's going to come up on an exam if you're doing the LSIT or LS or maybe FS, probably not. But anyways, I figured I'd show that to you. I wish I took a screenshot of the formula. It's I got it in a book. It's in the elementary surveying book, and I never did follow all the way through those directions to. But if you did this formula right here, it's going to be pretty similar. Imagine it's similar to the one in there. Seems like they had square root stuff, so maybe they're going h squared minus x. There's another way to do it, I'm sure, but this was the simplest. This is, I'm sure, the way I used it for the test that I took. Good luck. Thanks for watching.